Once upon a time, in a quiet village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a young farmer named Sam. Sam was known for his impatience. He would plant seeds in his fields and then anxiously watch them every day, hoping they would sprout immediately. One sunny morning, an elderly neighbor named Mr. Davis approached Sam as he was tending to his crops. Mr. Davis was known throughout the village for his wisdom and patience. He said to Sam, "My dear boy, I see you are in a hurry for your crops to grow. Let me share a story with you. Many years ago, in this very village, there was a giant oak tree that stood tall and proud. It took decades for it to grow to such great heights. People often wonder how it became so majestic. The answer was simple, my son: patience." Sam was intrigued and asked, "How does patience relate to that tree, Mr. Davis?" The voice man continued, "Well, you see, every day someone planted an acorn in the ground and patiently watered it. They didn't see immediate results, but they had faith in the process. Over time, the acorn grew into a sapling, then a small tree, and eventually it became the magnificent oak that once stood here." Sam realized the wisdom in Mr. Davis' words. He decided to change his ways and learn the art of patience. He stopped obsessively checking on his crops and instead focused on nurturing them with care, providing them with the time and space they needed to grow. As the seasons passed, Sam's fields blossomed into lush greenery. His harvests were bountiful, and he shared his newfound wisdom about patience with his fellow villagers. They too began to understand the value of waiting for things to develop at their own pace. And so, the story of Sam, the impatient farmer, became a parable in the village, reminding everyone of the power of patience. Like the acorn that grew into a mighty oak, the village learned that great things could happen when one had the patience to let nature take its course. From that day forward, Sam's farm flourished and he became not only a skilled farmer but also a symbol of enduring strength found in patience, reminding all who knew him that good things come to those who wait.